The steering assist is reduced. Drive with care message is a common warning that appears on GM vehicle dashboards. This message indicates a problem within the electric power steering system. Electric power steering, or EPS, uses an electric motor to provide power assistance when you turn the steering wheel. This system makes steering easier, especially at low speeds and when parking. This warning most commonly affects several GM vehicle models. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra from 2014 to 2023 are the most frequently reported, along with full-size SUVs like the Tahoe, Suburban, and Yukon from 2015 to 2023. The primary causes of this warning have been identified through extensive diagnostic data. Torque sensor failure accounts for 45% of cases, followed by EPS module software issues at 25%, wiring and connection problems at 20%, and mechanical steering column issues at 10%. When this warning appears, you will notice that the steering wheel requires significantly more effort to turn, especially at lower speeds. Ignoring this warning can lead to increased difficulty controlling the vehicle, particularly in emergency situations where quick steering responses are critical. When the steering assist reduced message appears, the first critical step is professional diagnostic scanning. This identifies the exact component causing the issue through diagnostic trouble codes. Next, check the EPS module's software version. Corrupted or incompatible software triggers many steering assist warnings and can often be resolved with a simple update. Inspect wiring harnesses and connectors in the steering column. Corrosion, moisture damage, and poor connections are common culprits, especially in vehicles exposed to road salt. If problems persist, the torque sensor is the most likely culprit. This component fails in 45% of steering assist cases and typically needs replacement in vehicles with high mileage. The data clearly shows professional diagnosis and repair significantly outperforms DIY attempts. Professional repairs succeed 94% of the time, while DIY attempts only succeed 31% of the time. Seek professional help immediately if the warning appears consistently, steering becomes noticeably heavy or difficult, or you experience other electrical issues. These symptoms indicate serious safety concerns. GM now recommends EPS system inspections every 60,000 miles and proactive torque sensor replacement for high-mileage vehicles. This preventive approach can avoid unexpected failures and costly emergency repairs.